and all. This is K. Vaishnavi of class 10A. So we all know about the chapter A Question of Trust. So there's a man named Horace. He was having a disease called hay fever. He also had a log business and he stayed in a prison of library. So he used to love reading books. So he each year he used to go for a robbery to buy books, and this year he planned a successful robbery in a house. He observed it for 2 weeks, and 2 weeks all its rooms, its electrical pathway and the garden. So he decided to enter the house, and he went into the house and saw a dog near the house. And generally, where the dog sees an unknown man, it barks. But the Horace know the name of the dog, and once he says, the dog kept silent. Then he entered the hall. There was a flower vase near the hall. So, by the smell of the flowers, he got a sneeze. He entered into the room where the safe box was there. He saw the jewelry and he said that it was not a little hard, it was a little easy to open the box. Then he again went out of the room and into the hall where the flower was there, and again sneezed and went to the electrical board, and he thought of cutting the wires. Then a voice came from the backside saying that, is that a cold or a hay fever? Then the Horace replied that it was a hay fever. Then the woman said that then the voice comes from backside saying that you can consult the doctor for this treatment. Then Horace turns backsides and saw the woman. Then Horace says that I'm going to run away from this place. The woman says, if you run away from this place, I'm going to call the police. Then Horace says, if you call the police, I'm going to cut the electrical wires. The woman says that please open the safe, and I need jewelry now to go to the party because my husband went to London and he will not return for 2 months. Then Horace says that it takes 1 hour time to open the safe. Then she says okay, and Horace opens the safe and gives all the jewelry to the woman. The woman will take the jewelry and went to the party. Then Horace went away, and after 2 weeks, he plans for another robbery. And that woman, and in the third week, the first day, the police comes to Horace's house and arrest him. Then Horace says that why did you arrest me? The owner of the house only told me to open the safe and open the safe. Then the owner of the house comes. I don't know this person. Please arrest him. Then that time Horace got to know that the woman pretended to be like the owner of the house. The theme of this chapter is that you should not trust anyone without finding out about the person. Here the lady pretended to be the owner of the house, and Horace got arrested, and he knows after that the lady was a thief. So he trusted the woman words. Life in the world these days are really too hard because people in the world have no longer honest with each other. So trusting someone means that you have confidence on each other, and you feel safe with them emotionally and physically. Trust is that when in a relationship, when you are going to be together, you need to have trust within each other. In our school days, when we talk with our friends, we feel that we trust each other because we have when from the joining of school we are close with each other. Same in Annie Frank lesson. She does not feel to share about anything with her friends because she feels that she don't know that she does not trust her friends or they does not trust her. She shares all her secrets and all in a book. Our parents, when they send us to the school, they have trust on us that we don't do bad things and we study well. In the same way, they also have trust on our teachers and principal that they teach very well to our children. So once when we say lie to our parents or friends or somebody else around us, if they got to know about that lie, their trust on us loses. When this trust loses on a person, it takes a lifetime to gain again that trust against that person. And all, please tell truth behind all the actions and issues, because there's path of way trust that decides the life in the future, how to stay with a person. Thank you.